360SmartView. It's an exciting new way for state enforcement officials to get a comprehensive look at all trucks coming into their inspection facility. 360SmartView combines cutting-edge technology with the most current, complete, and correct data on commercial vehicles. Now, with 360SmartView and what your eyes tell you firsthand, you have a complete carrier profile. Federal data systems depend on the voluntary participation by states to be complete. Unfortunately, this leads to some big holes. For example, only half of the states upload data on IFTA and IRP into the federal CView data system. While the impact of those data holes depends on the percentage of trucks you see from those states, the impact can be as many as 40% of CView plate queries returning empty records. 360SmartView fills these holes by going directly to data sources where necessary to gather information. By bringing together data from SAFER, NCIC, CView, and 90 other data sources, 360SmartView has created the single most authoritative source of commercial carrier and vehicle data. It's the most current because it's updated as quickly as the data sources accommodate, with updates of the ACS CVO CView every 10 minutes. It's the most complete because data is collected directly from each source electronically or manually when necessary. And it's the most correct because errors in source data are corrected as needed. Another great thing about 360SmartView is that the data isn't just in the inspection facility, it's stored securely in the cloud. That gives mobile enforcement and integration with emerging technologies a complete new meaning. One authoritative data source, meeting enforcement needs, providing fully integrated and automated query and response capabilities from fixed sites or virtual installations in support of mobile enforcement. And because 360SmartView warehouses each site's transaction data and provides enforcement-focused analytics, state agencies now have a new tool to audit compliance after the fact. 360SmartView gives you the complete safety picture of every truck. Here's how. 360SmartView's data is securely hosted in the cloud so it can be queried from an inspection facility or mobile unit. It offers officers a single access point to multiple information sources and returns data in a single view. The system functions automatically whenever a truck arrives at the inspection facility ramp. Cameras capture the license plate and US DOT numbers and query the 360SmartView data. The complete carrier and vehicle profile, even including recent driver out of service, is presented for officer review on a user-friendly screen. 360SmartView's complete carrier profile includes information on federal operating authority, registration, tax payment, ISS score and safety performance, carriers and vehicles targeted by MCSIP, insurance and other information your state requests. In addition to the core camera system, the ability to integrate with legacy systems and virtually every roadside hardware and software make the system even more powerful for roadside and mobile officers. From WIMS and vehicle classifiers to overheight detection and laser dimensioning, and from mobile readers to brake sensors, 360SmartView works seamlessly. 360SmartView has been developed with ACS, a Xerox company, and was selected as one of 6 projects nationally for Microsoft's Azure TAP program. 360SmartView can also accommodate Aspen, Iteris Inspect, and Trax, as well as permitting, tax, and other state-specific systems. Once a vehicle has been pulled over for further inspection, 360SmartView can be used to validate driver compliance and to complete Level 3 inspection reports through integration with state and federal systems. Ultimately, the system works as site officers prescribe. The user-friendly interface enables each local site to set the parameters they want to evaluate. 360SmartView offers a win-win for state regulators and the commercial carriers they regulate. According to US DOT data, the use of 360SmartView could further reduce crash avoidance attributable to way station interventions by a factor of 4. That could mean a savings of up to $2 billion annually. Those benefits could come from an increased reliance on data-driven enforcement. Data that's not now available from federal or state systems. For motor carriers, 360SmartView helps to level the playing field. By getting unsafe trucks and bad drivers off the road, everyone's better off. As important, by expediting trucks through inspection facilities, 360SmartView reduces congestion and trucks queuing back onto the main line. 360SmartView is ushering in a new way for commercial vehicle enforcement agencies to do business. It gives roadside officers a complete carrier and vehicle profile on the spot that's not available from federal or state sources today. It gives state agencies a warehouse of data on all trucks passing through inspection facilities for highway planning and audit enforcement purposes. Because 360 SmartView is technology agnostic, your existing roadside hardware and software can be easily integrated. When you look to future technologies with additional capabilities, you can rest easy knowing that integration possibilities will not be limited. While there are other systems that do some of what 360 SmartView offers, none provide the same all-inclusive database, accuracy, speed of processing, flexibility, or user-friendly interface. When you consider your in-station camera system alternatives, remember that these systems are only as good as the data that underpin them. With 360 SmartView, your data is current, complete, and correct. For more information, go to www.360smartview.com.